everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saba. You call me Saba because it is my nickname. I hope you all are bright and shiny. Today's my topic name is activity sound and A. First, I start activity sound. Simple, siblings, sun, sea, sun, success, sock, soap, cup, skirt. I recite the poem, so let's begin my poem. The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Second, I start activity sound apple, ant, application, activity, accident, app. I recite the poem, so let's begin my poem. Answer my yarn, answer my yarn, answer my yarn. They are causing me alarm. Thanks for watching my video. I will say again. Bye bye.